I can tell you, there's nothing certain about finding a booming suburb. But there is some indicators that can help you in assessing what the potential of an area is. And of course, some of the indicators you might look at is, for example, rental yields. If the rental yields are very high, then it's likely that investors will want to move in to take advantage of those high rental yields, which pushes the prices up and actually drops the yield of that suburb. And then, of course, they're going to be booming anymore. The other one is if areas around this particular suburb or city have gone up, then it's likely that they will also go up, because property tends to go up all over. In Australia, for example, if Melbourne's had a rise, Sydney's had a rise, you can bet that Brisbane will also have a rise. And then you got outlying areas like Ipswich or the Gold Coast. So property follows cycles, and these cycles are quite predictable, because if you think about it, right, investors are looking for returns. They're looking for, where can I get a high return on my money and also capital growth. So they tend to follow the areas that are undervalued, and that's what pushes the price up. So what you need to know is understand these cycles and actually get in there before the investors get in there. And also, if you're selling a property, then obviously to get the best return, use some of our strategies for selling the property faster and for more money, because that can then set the market for that suburb. I've done that many times where, I've been told you can't sell the property for this amount of money, and yet I got $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 above what the agents told me I could achieve because of a better strategy for selling the property. So remember, if you're looking for those boom areas, there is never a specific area where you can say 100% that's going to be the biggest boom area, but you can see from the general trend of the suburbs around it and what else the market is doing in the rest of the country, which areas are most likely to be going up, and then make your decisions based on that.